In this lesson, you will learn how to use the OnIt feature for failure analysis. In case you have a lot of test failures, you need to make sure that all of these test failures are analyzed by the responsible personas in order to continue with the process of the pipeline failure. So let's go into the pipeline module to see how it looks like. This is a simple pipeline execution which has 3 test run errors. I can see on the dashboard directly. Here I have failed test runs. In total I have 3, and all 3 are new test run errors. ALM Octane is also able to realize if there were test run errors from previous pipeline runs, which will also tell you more about the stability of test cases. Now we have to handle those 3 test cases. You can see here in the summary, it says that 3 test cases failed and none of them is handled. So the best way to do the assignment to different personas is to go to test and click on the 3 failed test cases. So Octane will refresh and apply the failed filter. And now click each of those test cases, and now you can decide if you would like to do it yourself. So you say I'm on it, so you will take responsibility of it, or you can say you would like to assign someone and send them an email that they should start working on it. So let me assign Joel Flückiger. Please review test failure and fix as possible for you. Okay, and now I can decide if this user what I have assigned to this single test case should take care about all the test failures or only take care about this test failure. So I can say now he should take care about all the test failures which are similar to this run. Say okay, and now you will see Octane will automatically identify based on the test error message and apply Joel Flückiger as the responsible person. If I go back now to the overview, I will see that all of my 3 test cases are handled. For this simple example, it is not really much effort to do it. But now imagine if you have a big pipeline with a lot of number of test cases which will be executed. Let me show you one example. I will select here now a pipeline for full CD master which has more than 3 test failures. Now you can see we have in total 24 test failures and nobody is working on it. And here, as this is a pipeline run where a lot of data is included, I can also see that there are on the test run failures, there are few committers which has committed code changes and they are recommended to be assigned. So I can now do the same here, assign the correct people. You will see that it will come up automatically with the 2 recommended users and then start the user list with the alphabetic order. And I can now say, okay, assign manual on this and say okay. And do it for all the similar test runs. So now you can see manual has been assigned to all the test run failures which are similar. In this case, all the test run failures are the same. And if I go back to the overview tab, you can see that you get at the end of the day, you get a complete overview of all your test run failures during a pipeline, and you don't need to send any more emails out to the users to take a look in the pipeline failure and review their own test cases. You can manage the test failure analysis directly in ALM Octane to see the complete overview.